For this question on how to choose 3 letters, the hardest part of P&C will be choosing less amount of letters, not 3R, that will be 3 letters, okay, less amount of letters from the total word. Okay, so I want 3 letters to be chosen from Evermore. Okay, Evermore, there are 3 E, there are 2 R, and then there's a M, there's a O, and then there's a V. I will consider these 3 to be called others. Okay, now when you want to do a certain question like that, right, there are going to be many cases, because when you have repeated alphabets, that is going to affect the number of ways that you are going to count. Remember, in your P&C, if I want to arrange them in one line, right, then it will be like 8 factorial over 3 factorial, 2 factorial, because there are 3 E's and 2 R's that is repeated. Okay, so you have to consider quite a few cases. Case number 1, if I chose E, 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 okay, that would only be one way. Right, okay, 2, if I chose E, E, R, and within E, E, R, I can permute them. So to choose E, E, R, it would be 3 factorial over 2 factorials. That's 3 ways to rearrange E, E, R. Okay, and then case number 3, if I choose E, E, and the last one will be others. So for others, I have 3 others. 3 choose 1. Okay, then within these 3, multiply by 3 factorial over 2 factorial. Because EE and others, whatever the others is going to be, you can rearrange them. Okay, now case 4, I believe I've used up all my E's already. Okay, case 4, what if I have 2 R's? R, and an E, because I have to choose the E first because there are 3 E's that is going to be there. Okay, and actually there is only one possibility of choosing E. Okay, multiply by 3 factorial over 2 factorial. Okay, so it's just to permutate among these 3 of them. Okay, then number 5, what if I chose a R, and the others? That would be the same as case number 3, I have 3 choose 1, multiply by 3 factorial over 2 factorial. Okay, so for case number 6, what if I have a R, E, and then others? Okay, that would be, again, 3 choose 1, multiply by 3 factorial. 3 choose 1 to choose what is the MOV to be chosen, one of them, as well as to permutate within the 3 guys. Okay, and case number 7, if I have R, and then others, okay, that would be 3 choose 2, multiply by 3 factorial, because these 3 numbers are going to be distinct. Okay, in fact, you can times 2 because E others is going to give you the same result. Okay, that will be my case 8. Okay, so this guy will be the same, 3 choose 2 times 3 factorial. As well as the last case, that could be others. Okay, so that will be these 3 MOV distinct letters to permutate with it among them. I will call them 3 factorial. And these are all the cases, okay, that you have to add them up, because they all cannot happen at the same time. They are all different scenarios. So 1 plus 3 plus 3 times 3 plus 3 plus 3 times 3 plus 3 times 6 plus 3 choose 2 times 6 times 2 plus another 3 factorial, and you are going to get your total number of ways, which is 85. Okay, so whenever a certain letter is being repeated, right, you have to consider it as a different case. If not, you're going to get into trouble, because whether there are 3 repeated letters or 2 repeated letters, right, is going to make a big difference in your calculations. Okay, and that is how you do a question like this.